Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day.
If you're new here, my name is Shweta and I make beauty videos here on YouTube. And if you all would like to join me on my journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of my new uploads. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing one brand makeup look using all M.A.C products. So without further ado, let's get started. So to prime my face, I'm using Prep Plus Prime Natural Radiance. I forgot to take the primer clip, so I'm gonna show one of my old clips. It provides long-term hydration, smooths and softens skin, improves radiance, refines skin, and it is silicone-free. I'm using M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC20. The formula lasts for a full 24 hours, applies, builds, and blends easily and evenly while controlling shine. This foundation combines a matte finish and medium to full buildable coverage. It does oxidize, so I purposely took a shade lighter than my actual skin tone. Now I'm using Studio Finish SPF 35 concealer in the shade NC35. It's a very lightweight and creamy concealer that provides discreetly opaque coverage, offers a smooth, long-wearing, invisible correction for all skin blemishes, imperfections and discolorations with a natural finish. This formula is so concentrated that a small amount can conceal and correct a number of imperfections. It works like magic and it becomes like a second skin. You just need to use your fingers and use a little amount on your spots or blemishes or dark circles and just tap on it. It will cover everything. You just need to choose a correct shade. Been using it for 2 years straight and it's still going strong. There's so much of product and in spite of doing some full glam makeup on a regular basis, it lasted so long. The coverage is so good, it covers everything, even your sins. Now I'm using Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC30. This is my favorite. I just use this above my moisturizer for a no makeup look and it looks so good. This is my second time purchasing it and it's almost over. The formula and coverage is amazing. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Now I'm using the same powder but in the shade NC46. I'm just gonna contour my face with this powder. Using Sequin lipstick to use it as a blush. I'm just applying it on my blender and I'll just dab it on my cheeks. It has glitter, so it gives a little highlighter effect. Soft and gentle is like the name itself, very soft and natural looking, perfect for daytime. The most blinding yet natural looking highlighter. I love my highlighters without any shimmer. This gives such a blinding glow to your skin like you're naturally glowing from within. I absolutely dig this highlighter. My best purchase from M.A.C. I'm using this powder as my transition shade. I'll apply it on my crease. M.A.C never fails to impress us. This is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette and the shades are unique and gives a subtle look. I'm taking the blue shade. I'll be making a wing by applying it through the outer corner, then I'll be applying it on the crease as well. Love the pigmentation, doesn't crack or make your eyelids heavy. Soft and creamy texture, hence very easy to apply with your fingers or a brush. And then I'll slightly blend and blur out the edges in my crease with the blue eyeshadow that I just applied. After that, I'll be making a cut crease using the concealer.
And then I'll be applying this golden shade on my cut crease. Now using the white shade, I'll apply this through the inner corner and take it to the lower lash line to give it a subtle look. And now I'll be using the same blue shade on my lower lash line which I used on my outer corner and blend it. I'll be using these two lipsticks right here. This one's Diva and the other one's Ruby Woo, and use them to give an ombre look to the lips. Okay, so we're almost done here, and it's only one thing that we are left with, and that's the outlining. So I'll be using the Diva lipstick with a pointed thin brush to apply it on the border of my lips, and there you go. Hope you guys liked the video. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for notifications every time I post. And shout out to all those who've been supporting me since the very beginning. Without all of you, none of this would have been possible. And if you want me to post more videos like these, then keep supporting and I'll be posting new content every week for you guys.